Hello everybody, I am Professor Arsul, Principal Chhatrapati Shahu Phule Ambedkar Agriculture College, Asti. Nowadays, our country is passing through a attack of pandemic virus, that is COVID-19 coronavirus. It is found that this virus spreads in the community through the social contacts. Taking into consideration, the state government of Maharashtra as well as the central government of India has followed a complete lockdown so as to maintain the social distance. So it is my fair advice to all of you that stay home, stay safe. When you visit the market or in the community, you close your mouth and nose with the mask. After touching the social things when you are in the community, wash your hands with the soap for 20 seconds. Maintain social distance of 3 feet. And lastly, it is important that when you have the symptoms just like cold, flu, temperature, body ache, headache, contact your medical personnel or doctor. As per the guidelines given by the Dean Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyut Parbhani as well as UGC, that is University Grant Commission of India, so as to avoid or so as to save the educational loss of the students of my college, my colleagues or my professors in the college are conducting online lectures of the students through the different social media apps just like Google Do, Google Class, Zoom, etc. Along with this, my colleagues or my professors are supplying the study material to the students through the different applications or different platforms of social media just like WhatsApp groups may be there, college website is also there, as well as different social apps like YouTubes are there. So it is my humble request to all of my students, all of the parents of the students that stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
पूर्ण एक अशी शर्यत आहे की जिथे धावणार नाही तर थांबणारा जिंकेल. सो घरी थांबूया, कोरोनाला हरवूया. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थँक्यू.
Everyone, I am Professor L.S. Misal, Department of Agriculture Entomology, CSPA College of Agriculture, Asti. Due to lockdown of COVID 2019, I am teaching of my subjects to students by various online platform by staying home. So I request to all of you stay home, stay safe, and also request to all teachers to perform their teaching activity with the help of different online platforms such as Google Classroom, YouTube videos, and different video streaming options such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Hangout, and other applications. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy. Due to lockdown and COVID-19, I teach my subject to all my students by using online platform, by staying home. We know that prevention is better than cure. So I request to all of you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Myself, Professor Navsari Gokul. I am working as Assistant Professor in College of Agriculture, Asti. Everyone knows about the coronavirus. Now, along the India, whole world is grabbed with this coronavirus. So, to fight against this, everyone should take precautionary measures that that government has published. Out of that is stay home, means that don't go out of home, avoid social gatherings, care your and your family's health, keep social distancing about 6 feet while carrying essential needs. By following proper nutritive food, improve your family's immunity power, use proper masks, wash your hands with hand wash frequently. If you are working in an essential service, take precautionary measures. Thank you.
Hello dear friends, my name is Assistant Professor Hangiaris College of Agriculture, Asti. Due to COVID-19, such a critical condition arises in our country, and for facing that purposes, you have to be stay home, stay safe. Our police, our government, all the government servants are fighting against the corona, so we have to stay home and support him. They are fighting for us outside in our home, but we have to be stay in our home and fight against the corona. And student, wash your hands frequently, take care with yourself, and in our syllabus completion, due to this Zoom app, we taking the lectures continuously. If any problem arises, then you can directly contact to your professor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor from the Department of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry. As the situation of Corona, that is COVID-19, I am teaching to my students by using online ways and the online applications by staying at home, staying safe. So I am also requesting you to stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Professor of Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry. Due to COVID-19, lockdown still continue. That's why I teach my subject to students through various online platforms in staying home. So I requested to all stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Irshad. I am a professor and I am working from home. Due to lockdown, I am using the different e-learning platforms for my work. And it is my request, stay home, stay safe, and we will definitely defeat the corona. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Professor Suramad Yasar. Due to lockdown COVID-19, I am teaching my subject from home through different e-web learning online. So I appeal to all of you, stay safe, stay home.
Hi everyone, I am Professor B.N. Uke. Due to lockdown and COVID-19 infection, I am teaching my subject to the all students by using online program, then platform by staying at home. Therefore, I request to all students stay the home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello, dear student. As you know, the world is suffering from epidemic of COVID-19 and we facing lockdown. So your teaching schedule, which is arranged on the online platform like Zoom meeting app. So my humble request to you is that learn all these subject by staying at home. So stay safe at home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Gunjale BR, Assistant Professor. Today, lockdown due to coronavirus. I am teaching all students are online platform by using Zoom app, Google Classroom, WhatsApp, YouTube and our college website. I request you reduce your risks of coronavirus infection to avoid close contact with everyone. I again request you stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I am teacher. I am teaching my subject by using the various online platforms such like Zoom app and the Google Classroom. I request to all of you, please stay at home and stay safe. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Vikas, working as an assistant professor in College of Agriculture, ASTI. Due to the lockdown of coronavirus, I am teaching my subject to all my students by using various online applications. So I humbly request to all of you, please stay home and stay safe and fight against corona. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am teacher and due to the lockdown, I am teaching my subject to all the students by using various online platforms by staying home. I kindly request to all of you to stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Anish Rajmane. It's very important to all of us to be a responsible citizen. So it's my humble request to you, stay home, stay safe.
Hello my dear students, myself Jadhav PN, lecturer, Agri Engineering Department, SCSPA College of Agriculture ST. As we all know that we all are suffering from COVID-19, that is coronavirus, due to which whole country is under complete lockdown. So the guidelines given by our principal and Dean Office VNMQ Parbani, we are conducting our lecture through online apps like Zoom, YouTube, Duo video calling, and also we are supplying study material to the student through WhatsApp group and our website www.scspacoa.com. So we are all fighting against the coronavirus. So all dear students, please maintain social distancing, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.